You are going to love the 2015 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, multifunction display, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.